When planning a home addition, one of the first questions every homeowner asks is, how long will it take from start to finish? Well, the honest answer depends on your project's size, design complexity, and how long the county takes to review and approve your permits. But to give you a clear idea, let's walk through a realistic timeline for a 1,200 square foot home addition, including a first-floor kitchen and living room, plus a second-floor addition with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Overall, the entire process typically takes about 8 to 14 months from the first design meeting to final inspection. Let's break it down phase by phase. Phase 1. Planning and design, 1 to 2 months. Every great project starts with good planning. You'll meet with the architect to talk about your ideas, layout, and budget. They'll measure your existing home and turn those measurements into detailed CAD drawings. Once the concept is ready, you'll review and approve the layout and design. Then the architect prepares the final construction drawings. Bringing your vision one step closer to reality, this back-and-forth design process usually takes about 1 to 2 months, depending on how many revisions are needed. Please note that this phase involved only the homeowner and the architect. Before Evan can begin preparing the detailed drawings for submission, we anticipate that this process will take approximately 1 to 2 months. Once you've finalized the floor plan, it's time to move on to the next stage, engineering and permits. Phase 2, design development and permitting, 2 to 3 months, sometimes longer. Here, the architect and structural engineer prepare a full permit set, including all architectural, structural, electrical, plumbing, and mechanical plans. Once completed, the drawings are submitted to the county or city building department for review. The permit review process can take anywhere from 2 to 4 months, depending on the county's workload, how quickly they review, and whether your property falls under a historic district. When the county approves your plans, you'll receive your building, plumbing, electrical, and mechanical permits. And that's when construction can officially begin. Now, keep in mind, each permit has a county fee, which is usually paid by the homeowner. It's also normal for reviewers to request small changes or revisions, so always plan for possible delays. Phase 3, construction, 4 to 8 months. Now the real transformation begins. This is when your vision starts turning into a real structure, and each stage includes county inspections to make sure everything meets building code. Step 1, site prep and foundation, 2 to 4 weeks. The crew clears the area, digs for footings, sets forms, and pours the foundation. Step 2, framing, rough HVAC, plumbing, and electrical, 1 to 3 months. Step 3, insulation and drywall, about 1 to 2 weeks. Step 4, interior and exterior finishes, 3 to 4 months. Final timeline recap. From start to finish, a typical 1,200 square foot home addition can take anywhere from 8 to 14 months, depending on design complexity, county review times, and the level of finishes you choose. The key is to plan ahead, stay flexible, and work with experienced professionals who can help you navigate the process smoothly. If you're a homeowner looking for a reliable, stress-free contractor who truly delivers quality and value, you're in the right place. At DC Home Addition and Home Remodeling, we specialize in home additions, full house remodels, and kitchen and bathroom renovations of any size. Our mission is simple: to make your entire project easy, organized, and completely stress-free from start to finish. You can call us today at 703 980-3266 or schedule your free virtual consultation using the link below in the description. There's no cost. We'll talk about your project, answer your questions, and help you plan the next steps with confidence. Here's why so many homeowners choose DC Home Edition and Home Remodeling. Free design consultation with professional planning, transparent estimates with no hidden fees, fully licensed and insured team in DC, Maryland, and Virginia. We handle all permits and inspections for you. Dedicated project manager for clear communication. 3D design so you can see your project before we build. Quality craftsmanship that lasts. On time, on budget completion. Clean, safe, and organized job sites. And most importantly, your satisfaction is always guaranteed. At DC Home Edition and Home Remodeling, we take pride in every detail because we look forward to helping you make your home more beautiful, functional, and valuable. Thanks for watching. If this helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more home remodeling tips.